Señoritas, if you buy a Land Rover 90, 1978, and restore it to perfection, it's still not gonna have airbags. I critique mansions. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're gonna review 28034 Sea Lane Drive Malibu, that's Paradise Cove, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 5,507 square foot, listed for $47,500,000, $15.8 million a bedroom, so it's a bargain. The lot is 31,549 square foot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, señoritas, escúchame. The content of this video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Real estate analysis is subjective in nature. I don't guarantee the accuracy of the information either. For that stuff, you can contact the listing agent. Let's go. 3 things I love about this property. The 3rd thing I love about this property is the fact that it's perched up, but not like high above the cliffs, just perched up enough where people can't really look in, and you're somewhat safe from the waves, but you overlook the beach and you can easily walk to the beach. You know, a lot of like Jay-Z, for example, has to freaking take a telecabin down from his cliff, right? So it's much easier to actually put your feet, you're in the sand and surf, right? Do whatever you want to do. The 2nd thing I love about this property is the fact that this property is massively underbuilt. It's a pretty big size lot, and a lot of it has gone to this driveway, right? Or extra parking space. It's completely underbuilt at, for the size of the lot. So it has a lot of, potential to add square footage to this property. But the number 1 thing I love about this property is hands down the location. Look, you're at the end of a cul-de-sac. You only have 1 real neighbor, and you're in Paradise Cove. Jay-Z and Beyonce are gonna come knocking on your door with cookies and welcoming you to the neighborhood. That's part of the deal. I think it's offered if you purchase this property. I'm kidding, it's not. Okay, now before I tell you 3 things that I absolutely don't like about this property, slap yourself once in the face. Go ahead, do it. If you hadn't followed the channel, that was for that. If you followed the channel, I just wanted you guys to wake up a little bit so you're ready for this part of the video. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. The 3rd thing I don't like about this property is that the finishes are Ashangat Guti-Puti. And if you don't know what the Guti-Puti of the Ashangat is, it's because you don't follow the channel. In Hindi, it means inconsistent. Exhibit A, the master bathroom. You got travertine, super in right now. Everyone is using it, very good, right? The kitchen, it's like some lava rocks from Hawaii. I don't even know if it's rocks. I don't even know if it's quartz. What the hell is this? It's not in. And you shouldn't be over here in the $47 million house. Okay, the 2nd thing I don't like about this property is the price. Or the fact that you have to pay $15.8 million per bedroom. Come on! Like, have we just lost it? Have we completely gone berserk? Are we in Mars right now? Like, did Elon already make the shuttles? We're like transporting there? Like, what's going on?
Attention,
come on, guys. Wake up. Slap yourself
destination.
again. Slap one more time. Everybody, slap your face one more time. The number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the fact that this Defender 1978-90 is got low ceilings. And extremely low ceilings. And it doesn't have a lawn. You don't really have a backyard for 47. I mean, the owner would say, the beach is your backyard. Well, yeah, we knew that. But we would like to have another backyard too. Maybe this ridiculous parking lot next to our house could have been a nice backyard, before listing the property. But no, it's not. Now, if you still haven't subscribed, you can slap yourself one more time for the fun of it. 3rd time is the charm. And I can tell you that I'm launching version 3.0 of Zip Smart in January. Super excited about it. Can't wait to share it with you guys. And if you like this video, you would like one of these videos, tell me in the comments how much you think this property is worth. Tell me. I'm gonna read all of them. I answer all of them. That's me. Talk to you soon and get out of here. Slap yourself. Slap yourself on your way out. Go ahead.